If you use the humic acid in the sugarcane cultivation, then the growth of the sugarcane increases. When you use the humic acid with the fertilizers, then the nutrient use efficiency also increases. Welcome to all farmers. Welcome to Mahaganpati Krushi YouTube channel. Humic acid is a biostimulant. If you use the humic acid in the sugarcane, then the growth of the sugarcane will be double. So, what are the uses of the humic acid and how the humic acid help in the increase the growth of the sugarcane and increase the yield of the sugarcane? All these we are discussing today. So, first thing is, when you use the humic acid in the sugarcane cultivation, then the root development is there. So, number of root increases, root length increases, root mass increases, and root health also increases. So, this is the first benefit of the humic acid if you use in the sugarcane. So, once the root length increases, root mass increases, number of root increases, root health increases, then the sugarcane easily take the water from the soil and the required nutrients from the soil. So, this will help to increase the growth in the sugarcane. So, this is the first use of the humic acid. Second thing, when you use the humic acid with the fertilizers, then the fertilizer use efficiency, that is nutrient use efficiency increases. You have to mix the humic acid with the fertilizers and then you have to add that mixture to the soil. By humic acid, the number of root increases. Once the number of root increases, the sugarcane easily take the applied fertilizer. You can use the humic acid as soil application, from drip irrigation and from drenching. So like this you can use the humic acid. In sugarcane, how we have to use the humic acid? So applying the basal dose, you can use the humic acid, and in first drenching you can use the humic acid, and from drip irrigation you can use the humic acid, and at the time of earthing up you have to use the humic acid in the sugarcane cultivation. So like this, if you use the humic acid in these ways, then the growth of the sugarcane will be increases. So you have to do one experiment. If there are 10 rows in your plot, then you have to use the humic acid in 8 rows and you should not use the humic acid in 2 rows. So after 15 days you will get the result of the humic acid. You have to first test the humic acid and then use that in the sugarcane. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Thank you so much.